Hi there, Simon from RC Hobbies Gold Coast. We're going to talk about one of our bigger electric vehicles here. This is made by Thunder Tiger. The vehicle's called a MT4 G3. Now this one's a real good fun car. This is something that you can take out on acreage property and you get some serious jumps happening with this one. Very tough, very well built. It actually was once in its previous life a nitro truggy. It was reintroduced on the market about a year ago as an electric monster truck. I was already a big fan of the vehicle because of how tough it was in its nitro form. In electric, it's something else. Now, big wheels, metal axles, strong, well built. It comes with some very good gear. You're looking at a radio, which is a Cougar 2.4, digital, adjustable. You can turn the power down. Just a good setup. A very well thought out manual. Parts availability is good. Alright, we'll go and we'll pull the body off this one and we'll have a further look. Okay, body just lifts straight off. Okay, it's very well thought out how they put the battery design here. This is just clips, just removes, just like so. Off it comes. Battery box is off. This one runs a 2000 kV Ripper Thunder Tiger brushless motor. It's got a 150 amp speed controller. Comes with a 7.8 kilo 2008 Ace servo. You could upgrade that to something a little bit more powerful, but it will do the job. Stuff on the vehicle that I'm real impressed by is heavy duty CVDs, so it's universal joints all the way around through here. It also runs them on the front and the rear drive shafts. It runs them on the rear. The shocks on it, big aluminium shocks, decent aluminium shock towers all around. Heavy duty, decent wheelie bar on the vehicle. Very strong bit of gear. Battery wise, 14.8 volt is what we run through this system. That battery will give you a run time of approximately, it's going to head towards the 10 to 12 minute mark without a problem. Let it cool down and give it another run. No noise out of this vehicle, so very fast, no noise, no upsetting the neighbours, and lots of fun. It's available through our Mollendina shop, through our Burley shop. Come down and check it out. Hi guys, Simon from RC Hobbies Gold Coast. We're going to give the Thunder Tiger MT4 G3 a run. So this is as you buy it from the shop, 14.8 volt. The remote I'm using today is one of my own because I own lots of cars, so we'll click him on. It's just underneath the body here, we've got a little switch. Okay, we'll power him up. As I said, she's electric, so there's not too much noise. We'll put him through his paces and see what she does, eh? Oh, bit of a crash, but we're all right. Not as high that time, so. Over there. Bit out of sight. Now this car's a lot of fun, I tell you. Wheelies. Oh, get her in there. Oh, back on the wheels, we're good. Back on the wheels, we're good. Through the bush. All right, guys, that's the MT4 G3. If you're looking at some good fun, this is a car you want to get yourself. All right, guys.